Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can add the Hebrew as alternate or second calendars on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Calendar. Next, go down and tap on Alternate Calendars, and then select Hebrew from the list, and that's it. After, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Now open up your calendar app and you should see Hebrew shows as a second calendar just below the main calendar here, and that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.